Hi, Billy. Enrico here of Steam Cleaning Phuket. How long you are in Thailand and what about this beautiful boat?
We're going to be in Thailand for in total about 3 months. Um, this boat is a 𝗪𝗵𝗁𝗁𝗪 built in Australia, but it's had a hard life since then, so hence the reason why you're on board to
Okay,
get
great.
it back to fresh.
So yes, today we will serve you making the cleaning of the outdoor cushion of the master bedroom. So we make the cleaning and disinfection of the mattresses, the sofa, of the carpet, and also all the sofa set in the fly bridge. Why you choose Steam Cleaning Phuket?
Yeah, it just seems like the most reputable company in Phuket. Seems like the obvious choice. And it's great, you know, you come in with a big team and you get it done quickly, and yeah, very easy to deal with.
Okay, great. Appreciate it, really appreciate it. So today we are here to 𝗪𝗵𝗁𝗁𝗪𝗔, but just a few days ago we did 𝗪𝗵𝗁𝗁𝗪𝗔.
Yeah,
Wow, it's amazing.
yeah. So this boat has a chase boat, which is 37-foot 𝗧𝗵𝗶, and that has also had a hard life over its 1 year existence. And yeah, the interior cushions and the exterior cushions are looking a little bit worse for wear, and yeah, so you guys did an amazing job on that. Thank you. And yeah, got it looking pretty much like new again, and ready for another year of a hard life.
Perfect, great.